Halfords has a wide range of workshop tools, everything you could want to truly kit out your garage. Our selection of hand tools includes individual tools, tool kits and the ever popular socket set. Our tools come under 3 brands. Phaze is a range of tools set for the beginner and occasional user. The Halfords range contains all the tools a keen DIY will need for most of the jobs on their car. Our flagship brand is Halfords Advanced, perfect for everyone from the enthusiast to the serious mechanics. Even better, all our hand tools in the Advanced range come with a lifetime guarantee free of charge. In our tool sets, you can get everything from this handy 11-piece spanner set to this extensive 200-piece socket set. This really does come with everything you could possibly need, but if there's anything else, our hand tool range probably has it. No garage is complete without some tool chests and cabinets. You can mix and match these to create the ultimate garage and home for your tools. And even better, we have a range of modular trays that fit perfectly inside. Our advanced tool chest comes with a clamshell lid and power access so you can charge your phone or power tools securely inside. And all of our advanced metal storage comes with soft close drawers and a 3-year guarantee. There may come a time when you need to lift your car, whether to change a tyre or for something a little more complex. To do this, you're going to need a jack to lift it and an axle stand to safely support it. Luckily, Halfords have plenty of jacks and axle stands for 2 and 3 ton weights. There are plenty of other products in our workshop range. So whatever you need for your garage, you can rely on Halfords to help you. View our online range or pop in store for a chat with a member of the team.